These 7 healthy carbs are secretly sabotaging your weight loss. You've swapped donuts for sweet potatoes, brown rice for quinoa, and oats for overnight oats, thinking you're doing your body a favor. But what if I told you some of these healthy carbs are quietly spiking your insulin, stalling your fat burn, and derailing your weight loss goals? Stick around because in the next few minutes you'll discover 7 surprising carb culprits and exactly what to swap them with to keep that scale moving down. Sweet potatoes. Why they sabotage? Despite the vitamins and fiber, sweet potatoes pack a medium-high glycemic load. That means a rapid blood sugar spike, triggering insulin and telling your body to store fat. Low-carb swap. Try a spaghetti squash mash instead. It delivers texture, volume, and keeps blood sugar steady, so you stay in fat burn mode. Quinoa. Why it sabotages? Quinoa markets itself as a superfood, but 1 cup cooked delivers almost 40 grams of net carbs, enough to kick you out of ketosis and stall weight loss. Low-carb swap. Reach for cauliflower rice. It's under 5 grams of carbs per cup, so you can still enjoy that grainy mouthfeel without the insulin roller coaster. Rolled oats. Why they sabotage? Oats are high in soluble fiber, but that same fiber ferments into sugars in your gut, often spiking blood glucose more than you'd expect. Low-carb swap. Make a chia pudding parfait, chia seeds, unsweetened almond milk, and a handful of berries. You get creamy texture, fiber, and antioxidants, minus the carb overload. Bananas. Why they sabotage? A medium banana delivers about 27 grams of carbs. That quick-digesting sugar can spike your insulin, leading to cravings 30 minutes later. Low-carb swap. Go for blueberries. Just 10 grams net carbs per cup, packed with antioxidants that actually help stabilize blood sugar and curb cravings. Brown rice. Why it sabotages whole grain? Sure. But 1 cup cooked still hits around 45 grams net carbs. That's nearly half your daily carb target on many low-carb plans. Low-carb swap. Use konjac, also known as shirataki, rice. 0 net carbs, almost 0 calories, and it soaks up sauces and seasonings just like rice. Chickpeas. Why they sabotage? Legumes have protein and fiber, but also 20 grams net carbs per half cup. For many low-carb lifters, that's a deal-breaker. Low-carb swap. Snack on edamame instead, about 4 grams net carbs per half cup, and still delivers plant-based protein plus a gentle insulin response. Carrot sticks. Why they sabotage? Carrots are healthy, but raw carrot sticks clock a medium glycemic index when eaten alone, causing a quick glucose surge. Low-carb swap. Reach for celery sticks or cucumber slices. Super low in carbs, hydrating, and perfect with hummus or guac without sending your insulin sky high. Recap and action steps. Spaghetti squash mash instead of sweet potatoes. Cauliflower rice instead of quinoa. Chia pudding instead of oats. Blueberries instead of bananas. Konjac rice instead of brown rice. Edamame instead of chickpeas. Celery or cucumber instead of carrot sticks. Swap just one of these each day this week and watch your cravings drop, your energy stabilize, and the scales start moving again. Which swap surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more low-carb life hacks, and share this video with a friend who's stuck on their weight loss journey. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.